guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record mileage and claim as an expense on ClearBooks. We need to go to Purchases section and click on Expenses. If you cannot see expenses here, you need to go through Settings section and enable Expenses feature. Click on Expenses, and to record mileage we need to click on Create Mileage Receipt. Here, select an employee for which you want to record this mileage or who have claimed the mileage. Select the date. You can add a reference. For example, I have meeting on 10/08. Theme, that is a template provided by ClearBooks, so you can select color theme, which one you fancy the most. Now we need to add the details for this journey. So in this case, I had a supplier meeting in London. Transport. My car has been used, but if you want to add another employee car, click on this plus button and you will be able to add a new transport here. Don't forget to click submit so information is pulled through to this transport section. If John was a passenger, he can claim 5 pence per mile advised by HMRC going to this meeting. Otherwise, if he was the main driver, I will add 11 miles distance covered and amount would be calculated there. If you want to change price per mile, you can select manual and add your rate manually. I will leave 45 pence per mile as per HMRC guidelines. If there is VAT what you want to add, you can add it here. Okay. If you need another line for this journey, add an information here. Otherwise, click on this red cross. Okay, you can provide more notes or details in summary text section if required. If you want to save and come back and provide more details, you can click on save. Otherwise, you can submit for approval. If you click submit for approval, this expense will be showed under unapproved section. We can still under manage, view, edit, delete, or attach a support document like receipt. So to attach receipt, click on upload files, select your petrol receipt, like in my case, and don't forget to actually click on attach, otherwise this receipt will be not attached. So click on attach, file is attached there. And when I go back, I can view attachment, I can delete this expense, what I have recorded, or I can create completely new mileage claim. If I go to main expenses screen, I can see that there is 495 unapproved receipts. If you have approval permissions, then you can go to this particular claim and click on or select this line and click approve. Now from unapproved section, this expense has been moved to approved and can be marked for a payment when actually expenses will be paid to employees. So in this episode I showed you how you can record mileage and claim as expense on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.